Hey, it's Max, and back in October there was a pretty rare Apple event where they announced a lineup of all new iPhones, 4 new iPhones, the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In this video, I have a couple goodies in this bag right here, and we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 as well as a couple other accessories. I know this is a video that you guys have been really excited to see, and this is a video that I've been really excited to see as well. So today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro, the Deep Navy Apple Silicon case for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, the all-new MagSafe charger, and a 20-watt USB-C power brick. Because why not? So the unboxing experience for this iPhone is pretty different from any other that we've seen before. The box is really slim, and that's because there's no power adapter in the box this time around. Yeah, that's right. Apple took away the power adapter, and so you have to spend $20 to get one separately. But here we go. Let's open the box up, and right there on the top is the iPhone, and then there's a tab that you just pull right up, and then you take the paper off of the front of the iPhone. After that, all you see is a little bit of paperwork and then a cable, and that's all that's in the box. It's just a phone, a cable, and some paperwork. Also, a new feature that was introduced is that there is a magnet array in the back of this device, and that assists with what's called MagSafe, and so you can do fast charging with MagSafe, and it's basically a little puck that slaps onto the back of the iPhone, and it charges it fairly quickly, which I think is super cool. And so I picked up a MagSafe charger and a USB-C power brick, and you plug them both in, and you can just throw it on before you go to bed or something, and it charges it fairly quickly, and it's a pretty cool alternative to wireless charging. And that's it. That's the unboxing. Okay, to be honest, I have actually daily driven this phone for the last day, and honestly, this is a fantastic phone. This Apple silicone case is not something I'm totally digging, I don't think, so you can just take it off and rock it naked. But that phone, yeah, you see that. That is... It's a nice phone. It's a nice phone. So something you notice immediately is this nice matte hazy back. It's so nice. I love this satin back. It's so nice. Then the rails along the edges are actually stainless steel, and so they collect a lot of fingerprints. And so we'll have to see how that wear and tear happens over time. But yeah, it's a pretty awesome build, and I love this phone a lot. It's a great size as well. I don't think I could go any smaller, maybe a bit bigger, but yeah, I like this size a lot. Immediately, something that I wanted to try out with this phone after I unboxed it was the camera. And this camera is insanely good. It's 12 megapixels on all 3 lenses. It's a wide, ultra-wide telephoto and a LiDAR scanner for increased depth sensing, and this is just an insane camera system. The screen on this thing is also great. It's only 60 Hz, but Apple said in the announcement that most people wouldn't actually really notice that, and so I guess this is pretty much good enough. iOS is really optimized for iPhone, and so the haptics on this thing and swiping back and forth and everything is very smooth. Although coming from, for example, an iPad Pro, you're able to tell that this is not a 120 Hz display, but it's a nice screen. As far as performance goes, I haven't been able to test that very much, but this is a very fast phone, and you're able to tell that. And I really, really do like the way that this phone is constructed, and I also really like the way that this software really optimizes it to have the best experience that you can. So I gotta say, the whole no charger in the box is pretty controversial, but I think that it's fine, honestly. Although the one thing is that you're not going to be able to use your little USB-A power brick that you've gotten for iPhones for several years now. You have to actually buy a USB-C 20-watt power brick from Apple to use the cable that comes in the box with it, which I think is a bit of a ripoff, but I'll get more into that in my review. And yeah, I got the Pacific Blue. This color is insanely nice. It looks pretty different in some lights. Like, even if I just move it to the side a little bit, it can look a little bit green, it can look a little bit blue. Sometimes it even looks sort of yellow almost. Like it's a very deceiving color, but when you're under nice lighting and when you can really appreciate the color to its fullest, it is a fantastic color. I really, really like this color. I do not regret getting Pacific Blue at all. So that's my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. I'll have, of course, more content about this coming soon, but this is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'll be talking a lot about the camera in future videos because this camera really, really is very good, as well as other features that make this iPhone, I believe, a fantastic iPhone for a certain group of people. Stick around for my review and that content coming soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. See ya!